If you're running a WooCommerce store, adding gift cards can be a practical way to increase sales and attract new customers. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the best WooCommerce gift card plugins based on their features, ease of use, and flexibility, so you can choose the right one for your store. Now, let's go. First is WebToffee WooCommerce gift cards. This plugin is known for its simple setup and practical features. It allows you to create digital gift cards, schedule email delivery, set usage restrictions, offer fixed or custom amounts. It's a good option if you want something straightforward without too many advanced settings. Suitable for beginners and small to medium stores. Next is YITH WooCommerce gift cards, one of the most widely used options. It offers more advanced customization features, such as multiple gift card designs, import and export of gift cards, custom messages and branding, and option to start with a free version. Because of its feature set, it may take some time to configure properly. Suitable for users who want more control and customization. Third is Gift Cards for WooCommerce by WP Swings. This plugin focuses on flexibility and additional features. It supports both digital and printable gift cards, allows custom pricing, includes advanced gifting options, provides detailed management options. It's designed for stores that are planning to scale or need more flexibility, suitable for growing or feature-focused stores. Lastly, PW WooCommerce gift cards by Pimwick is a lightweight and reliable option. It includes simple setup, email delivery, balance tracking, and basic customization. It doesn't have as many advanced features, but it performs consistently. Suitable for users who prefer simplicity and stability.
We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more updates, and thanks for watching.